It's snowing outside. I reject that narrative. St. Patrick's Day yesterday inspired me to buy Lucky Charms for dinner this week, and I'm really happy about that decision. Gigi is not. It's Betty time, and welcome to another week in my life. Today is Tuesday and I'm still at work. It's like 5:30. I'm about to go home. Yesterday was so crazy. I didn't fully take off last Thursday and Friday because I was sick, but I did a lot less work than I would normally do because I felt like garbage. So I had a lot to catch up on yesterday, and we had a big project starting yesterday. So I had to take care of that, and then I had a meeting at 4:30 that I was late for, and then I still ended up staying until 7 p.m. And then today, this morning went by like that, super quick. And then this afternoon, there was a bit of a lull. And I had chicken fingers and fries that were not that satisfying for lunch. And yesterday, oh my God, for lunch yesterday, I wanted some chili. I was in the mood for some chili from Tim Hortons. And when I mobile ordered, it was available, but when I went down, it was not. So they were like, we have chicken noodle or cream of broccoli. And I haven't had cream of broccoli in a while. I like it typically, but it was so bland. I added like a little tiny packet of salt because that's all I had, and I was so disappointed. And then today, my chicken fingers and fries were disappointing. I only ate half of it because I'm going to save the other half for lunch tomorrow. So overall, just really not happy about food lately, except for my Lucky Charms. I'm going to have Lucky Charms for dinner tonight too. And also I'm wearing green 2 days after St. Patrick's Day. I'm a little late. Also, I got recommended to try this Rain Energy by a fan turned friend. Shout out Bobby. And I really like it. The flavor is delicious. I have another one in the fridge to try tomorrow. But my only complaint is it's huge. I started this at 11 and I'm still like a little under halfway done. Like I still have so much to go. I'm going to have to chug it. Gigi, what's going on? What is happening? Oh my goodness, it's snowing in March. I think today might be the first day of spring. I am doing a quick moisturizing moment. I'm using Mary Kay Satin Hands Protecting Softener. It says fragrance free. There's definitely a fragrance. It's a nice fragrance, but there's definitely a smell. And I also use it on my elbows. It's 10:30 right now. I have a virtual board meeting at 1:30. It's freezing. She doesn't mind. I do. Look what I found. Last week was my 1 day a year where I could have Coca-Cola. And I was expecting my face to break out immediately, but it didn't. I look fantastic if I do say so myself. And then today I was going to pick up an energy drink and I found vanilla Coke, which is the one Coca-Cola I really wanted this year, and I couldn't find it on St. Patrick's Day. But today I found it, so today I bought it. Oh, it's so good. I'm so happy I bought it. And for dinner, lunch, cinnamon raisin bread and butter. I'm really trying to keep my finances low. That's not the right word. My expenses low. The bread is courtesy of Sweet Sweet Helen. And then I bought an energy drink and the Coke. That was my expense for today. And Lucky Charms for dinner. I knew she was too quiet when I was in the shower. Go get it. Completely unstuffed. I'm so sorry, my bestie. I'm so sorry, bestie. There's nothing left of her. I'm gonna try to put her back together. Let's see. This is the job I did on her girlfriend. Good morning. Happy Friday. I am at a concierge desk cosplaying as security. Do not mess with Beth. And it's pretty chill. It's a pretty easygoing morning. I haven't gotten my Starbucks yet. And also, for full transparency, I'm not doing every Friday. I mean, I'm trying to do every Friday just because it works out that, like, it's nice to have a treat at the end of the week. But last week I was sick on Friday. So, to be honest, Monday I did get a Starbucks because I'm doing 52. Is someone here? Oh, never mind, it's Nanny. I am doing 52 Starbucks this year. So it doesn't have to be on Friday. It doesn't have to be once a week. I could stockpile and have 5 weeks off and then have 5 in a row. You know what I mean? So I just wanted to be honest. Oh, careful. Look how excited she is. Come on, honey. We're going back. Let's go. It's the end of March. This is honestly ridiculous. Luckily, somebody's happy. Somebody's happy. Some puppy's happy. Aww, my poor baby's shaking. We didn't even make it the whole walk. It's okay, my girly, I got you. We're almost home. Happy Saturday. I'm on my way to a first date. This is my outfit. The pants are from Marshall's, the top is thrifted, the dog is from Kijiji, and we're matching. Her collar is animal print. And so is her mama. Mwah! She's not happy because she knows I'm leaving. I love you. Good afternoon, my honey. Did you just wake up from a nap? Yeah, you had a little nap. We slept in and you had a nap. What a good girl. My groceries just got delivered. Should we go pick them up? Should we go upstairs and get them? What do you think? How was your nap? Did you have a nice nap? It's a wonderful day in the neighborhood. Kind of chilly. It's a beautiful day. No, get on the grass. No, 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 miss. We do not own the road. It's a little chilly, I will admit, but I'm not in a winter jacket. That's gotta be saying something. Let's go inside. No, you're too busy eating snow? My poor octo buddy is no more. Not sticky at all. Also, I have to redo my nails. I just had a pecan butter tart, and now I'm making a slice of garlic toast. I'm kind of hungry. It is late, but I'm hungry. Ooh, there's the toast. I got some Purina One Plus dog food, and this is my first time getting her non-puppy adult food. My girl's getting so big. I hope you like it. Oops, sorry, didn't mean to hit you. I know it's not the same stuff, but give it a shot. Give it a try, girly. Come on, you're gonna love it. I promise. Hi. This garlic bread I just made with a piece of bread and this butter. Lactania butter with provincial garlic. Mmm. Yum. I bought this one. Girly garlic spread. It does not hit the same, let me tell you. I'm gonna try to give it away. I might take it to work tomorrow and see if sweet Helen wants it to take home to her family, because I sure am not gonna eat it. I bought it because I thought it's a garlic spread, not a garlic butter, so I thought it'd be easier to spread on my toast. And it was like $1 cheaper. Do yourself a favor. Get the bar. Yum. No. You can't have garlic, baby. But my dishes are done. Here's the thing. I love sharing my experiences dating in Toronto, dating as a plus size woman, dating as a woman in her 30s. But upon further reflection, I'm not sure I'm the right person for the role. I really am not sure if it should be me telling these stories, even though it is my truth and my experiences. I really am scared to hurt people's feelings. Unfortunately, that does include men's feelings. I really hate to admit that, but I don't want anybody to go through any kind of hurt or pain because of something that I said on the internet. So my date's Saturday. This will be my last dating recap. We went to a bar first, and then we were craving a little sweet treat, so we went to Denny's. And I do think this man has great intentions, and I think he was a complete gentleman. If I had a friend to set him up with, I would absolutely do that for him and my friend. I think it would be a win-win, if I'm being honest. I don't think he's my person. I did agree to see him a second time, go on a second date, because I don't think you can really get to know someone in the time frame of a first date, even though we worked together from like 5 p.m. to like 11 p.m. So that's like a decent amount of time. And he did feel very comfortable with me during that time. Did he trauma dump and love bomb me? A little bit, a lot of it. But like I said, he had good intentions, and I just don't think he's dated that much. And I think we're both the type of people who think when we find the one, we'll know it. And I think maybe he thought he found the one, so he was very excited about that, and I was just having a nice time. And nothing that I'm saying here is mean, I don't think. But if someone were saying this about me and I had like the best time, I would be hurt. So I really hope he doesn't see this. But I think it's important to share because I know I'm not alone out there. And there's this one girl on TikTok actually. She's from Toronto, but she just moved to LA, called Naomi. And she has been doing these dating diaries on TikTok. And if you're single and in your 30s, and also she's been leaning very Christian God girl lately, which is not like my thing, but overall, her single life dating stories are very relatable. She's extremely vulnerable, and just watching her makes me feel like I want to do not the same thing, but just the same idea where I'm intentionally dating, which I think I am, but at the same time, I still want to have fun and I don't want to hurt anybody's feelings in the process. But I also want other girls and women and whoever to feel like they're not alone in the single life and the struggle, because it is real. But you know what? Who needs a man when you've got a dog, right? Right? So we're gonna end this now. Ow! No. No. I'm learning how to say no. No. Gigi? No. I think it's working. Good girl. So we're gonna go to bed and we'll see you next week. Mwah. Betty buys.